Welcome back. Today we're going to get to work putting s and z into common words. These sounds are pretty similar, so we're going to focus on the sounds and compare them using some minimal pairs. Are you ready? Great, let's get started. We'll start by practicing s and z at the beginning of the words and then go through some minimal pairs. Ready? Please repeat after me. See, your turn now. Sip, sing, zone. Z, zip, zing, zone. Here are our minimal pairs. C, Z. Sip, zip. Sing, zing. Zone, zone. Okay, now we're going to practice some words with the s and z sounds in the middle. Make sure to repeat after me. Here we go. Fussy, muscle, decease, precedent. Fuzzy, muzzle, disease, president. Okay, now let's say them back to back. Fussy, fuzzy. Muscle, muzzle. Decease, disease. Precedent, president. Lastly, we're going to practice using these sounds at the end of the words. Don't forget to say them after me. Ready? Bus, ice, peace, price. Buzz, eyes, peas, prize. Let's say them in pairs now. Bus, buzz. Ice, eyes. Peace, peas. Price, prize. Way to go! You did a great job. Now we're going to make things a little more complicated by putting all our words into sentences. I'll say each sentence twice. First, I'll say them slowly and focus on the s and z sounds. Then I'll say them normally. Make sure to repeat them after me, okay? Let's go. Keep your eyes on the price. Why don't you give it a try? Keep your eyes on the price. Now it's your turn. Time for another one. The baby got so fussy when she ate peas. The baby got so fussy when she ate peas. Please try this one now. Let's try a different sentence, shall we? See how nicely that shirt is sewn. See how nicely that shirt is sewn? Repeat after me, please. Just a couple more sentences to go, okay? It's freezing today. My bus slipped on ice. It's freezing today. My bus slipped on ice. Please give it a try now. Okay, here's our last sentence. This one is tricky, so make sure to listen carefully and repeat after me. I went to see the president present the Nobel Peace Prize. I went to see the president present the Nobel Peace Prize. Your turn now. Fantastic job today. You finished day 23. I hope that you are more comfortable with the s and z sounds now. But if you need any more practice, feel free to replay this video as many times as you need. If not, I'll see you in day 24. See you there. Bye.